Hello, this is Steven back again with another technical analysis brought to you by Cannin.com. This week we're looking at an old company that we've analyzed a couple of years ago. They always came back pretty weak. Let's see how they're looking more recently. This is Weed Inc. Let's jump over to the pricing chart now. You can see the ticker is BUDZ. It's BUDZ, fairly memorable one there. Traded on the OTC here in the States. Let's zoom back into 2020. You can see they had a rough year. They were around 20 cents for most of the year. Into 2021, they did capture some of the industry-wide enthusiasm. You can see they did have some increases. And then some wild swings here. February 10th up 100%. February 11th down 44%. They gave it all back from $1 up to $2 and right back down in two trading periods. And since then, we've pretty much dropped steadily down to about 53 cents now. They do have a Reg A Tier 2 offering that they just announced right around here. You can see how the market has kind of reacted to that, 81 cents and now 53 cents. Again, underwhelming earnings. Look at the fundamental this week to really learn more about what we're talking about. And if you don't get those fundamental emails, definitely sign up for those at Cannin.com. The MACD, the OBV, on balance volume, and the Aroon are all telling us the same picture that the pricing chart is telling us. Itself, remember, the trend is your friend. The trend is definitely down in this stock. It's almost linear in its decrease. You can see we had the MACD cross below the signal line towards the end of February. It has stayed below the signal line since, almost 2 months below. It's still below. We'll zoom in. You can see there is a chance that we're getting close to a cross, but currently still below. The OBV, here's 0, so definitely in the negative territory, below -2 million, actually below -3 million right now. So it peaked at about 6 million, so you can see all that buying power pushed it to 6 million from 2 million the day before, so that's what a plus 100 will do to the OBV. Since then, the trend mirrors the pricing chart, down, down, down. The Aroon, let me just show you which one is which. The Aroon up is orange, the down is blue. You could have guessed that. The down is definitely more powerful than the up. You can see that they crossed towards the end of March, and typically you're not going to see this in the Aroon, where they're almost opposites of each other here. So weakness, weakness, weakness. That's probably what we're going to see on all the indicators that we can look at for Weed Inc. We are going to pay attention to their Reg A Tier 2 offering, pay attention to the fundamentals, but the story is pretty clear here on the technical side of what we're seeing for 2021 for Weed Inc. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you'd like to see an analysis on a company of your own. Happy trading, everybody.